In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Ctrader logo. This is a quick way to clean up your charts so your analysis, screenshots, and shared layouts look professional and distraction-free. First, go to Ctrader. Open the platform on your device or in your browser and make sure you're on the main workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, switch to the one where you want the change to appear. Give the platform a moment to load your charts and settings. Next, open a chart. Pick any symbol and time frame. This process works the same whether you're viewing forex, indices, or commodities, and whether you're on a 1 minute or a daily chart. Make sure the chart is active and visible on your screen so you can access its context menu. Now, right-click on the chart. Aim for a blank area of the chart's background rather than on a candle, indicator, or drawing tool. Right-clicking the background reliably brings up the correct context menu. If you accidentally click an object and see a different menu, just click away and try again on an empty spot. From the menu that appears, select Background Image. This is the setting that controls the watermark style image, which includes the Ctrader logo. Depending on your version or theme, this might appear directly in the context menu or within a chart settings or properties submenu. Either way, you're looking specifically for the background image option. When the background image options open, click None. This tells Ctrader not to display any background image or watermark behind your price data. As soon as you choose None, you should see the logo disappear, leaving a clean background. If there are other image options listed, don't pick them. None is the choice that removes the logo entirely. Finally, save your changes. In many cases, the change applies instantly, but if you see Apply, OK, or Save, click it to confirm. This locks in the adjustment for the current chart. If you work with multiple charts in a layout, repeat the same quick right-click and background image steps on each one to keep everything consistent. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the logo appears to persist, double-check that you selected None and that you confirm the change. Also, make sure you're right-clicking the background of each chart individually. Each chart controls its own background image setting. Once done, enjoy a cleaner view that puts your analysis front and center.